Hello and welcome to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. Liz is me and you can call me Liz, and today is my birthday.
This year I've decided to make a chocolate marble cake and I'm going to try out the embroidered flower design on the top. To start with, we're going to cover the entire cake in chocolate ganache. If you've never made that before, it's not that hard. I've got some chocolate melts and I just add some warm cream and whisk and whisk and whisk until it's all nice and smooth. If your ganache doesn't pour nice and smooth, it means it's not hot enough. If it pours too smooth and your buttercream melts, it's too hot. My cake has come fresh out of the fridge, so it's nice and chill. That's important as well because it helps the ganache set instead of running everywhere continuously. Here I'm just making it nice and smooth before putting it back in the fridge to chill some more. Next we're going to prepare the chocolate for our top. Normally this is done with royal icing, but it's a chocolate cake, so I'm going to try white chocolate instead. See how that goes, and we can always try again later. Again, we're looking for a nice smooth consistency, not too hot, not too cold. And I've chosen these colours from the Wilton collection. They're gel colours, so they're going to mix really well with the chocolate. You won't need much because they're very vibrant. Now the ganache is set, I'm just taking off the edges and making it nice and crisp. Before getting started, I'm just giving myself a few markers as to where I want to go next with the design. I'm making flowers today, so I've got some flower-shaped cookie cutters to give the design a little bit of mapping. The chocolate is going to start to cool down almost instantly because the cake is cold, so you've got to move fast. Using a small dry paintbrush, just start feathering the edges of the line you've just made until you get all the way around. You can add as many flowers or as few flowers as you want. And there we have it, my first attempt at the embroidery pattern.
So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button because there's plenty more where that came from. And if you're in any way interested in how to make a marble cake, let me know, and that'll be coming up in a future video anyway. It's one of my favorite methods of doing cakes because you can mix and match different colors, you can mix and match flavors, and it's actually a lot easier than you'd think. So let me know your thoughts, and I hope to see you next time.